Interesting. Soda Longo is in a brand new Ford Fusion Sport. As best I know, this car is largely stock. It has a 2.7-liter EcoBoost in it. It qualified at 13.17. Brad Gussler qualified at 10.83. Seems like it's going to be a romp and stomp and run for Gussler. But if Gussler has any sort of a problem, Marcelino's car is quick enough that it may close the gap. You saw Gussler's car come very kind of gently out of the hole. Whoa, Gussler is sideways and he's across the racetrack. And Brad Gussler has spun and nosed into the wall at just past the 8th mile. Marcelino Longo did a great job of getting that car to the other lane and out of the way. And Brad Gussler's car, the thing was very lazy at the starting line. The boost all came